So we're in Clovis, California, just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. And starting at the top, we give you a brand new vent pipe, a couple adjustable 90s single wall coming out of the ceiling bucket existing down to a piece of single wall vent pipe. And draft diverter comes with the unit, so that's all installed brand new. New quarter turn shutoff valve back here, so quarter turn off, quarter turn on. It's a Watts full port quarter turn ball valve. And then brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector, full 3/4 inch inside diameter, largest in the industry, also the most expensive. But they flow real good and we have a good track record with them, so that's good. Down to a brass extension on the cold side. Hot, we replaced the nipple right here. It was corroded. We began filing on it and you could just hear that it was, you know, the house is probably 25 years old, 30 years old. And so just replaced it, brand new nipple, and then Falcon stainless steel connector down to brass. We don't use any iron pipe, and of course this home is entirely iron pipe coming in to the building and then underneath, so you know, that's another story. But anyways, Falcon stainless steel connector, brass extension on the hot side. Relief valve comes with the unit, so this is for temperature and or pressure. Build up one or the other or both in this tank. This will pop off and relieve it to the exterior of the home, which sits right in the front entryway. And so that's tied in, drain lines in, that's good. Upper third, we have an adjustable strap. They had some adjustable straps in there, but they're not ours. And so we can't warrant someone's material, even though it's a adjustable strap. You know, we don't know if it's screwed in right. Anything goes wrong, and then you're calling us wondering why we didn't spend the extra 10 bucks for one of these kits. So, upper third, lower third, adjustable strap, and then over here, brand new gas valve and brand new gas connector over to the controller. This right here, as you can see, I can't read because my glasses, I don't have my glasses on, but scalding risk increases with hotter water. So right here, you have approximately 120. A130, B130, I'm sorry, A130, B140, C150. Very hot 160, those are approximate. B140, third degree burns 3 seconds. Infants and the elderly 1 second, you're going to the hospital. So be very mindful if you decide to utilize this. I do know you have a big soaking tub. We took a 40-gallon out of here that was 30 years old. And so now we got a 50-gallon in here, so you got another 10 gallons of water. If you have a 60-gallon soaking tub back there, this will certainly fill it. If it's a 90-gallon, this will fill it as well, but you're not going to get much more hot water in that first hour in another area. So if you're going to take a big bath back there, plan on that, and then give it an hour before someone needs to jump in the shower or someone needs to do dishes. Dishes is not that critical because water comes on, fills it, and then it kind of washes things off and drains and goes back and forth. But showering is important. So like I say, just 50 gallons, that's all you got. I think it's got a 65-gallon first hour recovery. Again, I don't have my glasses on, I'd read it to you right off of here. But anyways, this is your model number and serial number right here. You go to bradfordwhite.com and give them this serial number, your full name, street address, contact information, things like that. They'll get your warranty. It's 1 year labor, 6 years parts. And anybody in town can work on these. We have a guy that we actually work with that services these. He's got all the parts on this truck. And it's a Bradford White, so all these parts are right at our local manufacturer, Ferguson or Hajoka. So anyways, everything is good here. Outside of that, this installation is done.